Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the old starter with a new starter on a John Deere 620i. So here's the trick. Pull all the clutch and pulley off and then get your short puller or any bolt, something like this, goes inside there. And then I have another harmonic balancer kit. You take the right size like that, and then, well, now I cheated. I wedged a pry bar in here to hold that from spinning, and then I used a wrench to turn this tight, and it pops it loose. So that's the only trick to this. That comes off, this comes off, and then the starter is right in there.